Hello everyone, welcome back to Analysistrends. In this video, we're going to discuss about how to become a business analyst roadmap, milestone 9, which is change management. In the previous video, we have covered 8 milestones to become a business analyst. You can go and watch on the website analysistrends.com, or you can watch our playlist, how to become a business analyst or a business analyst roadmap. Moving forward, in this video, we're going to discuss about the key elements, the challenges to manage the change, the solution to overcome the challenges, and the best practices to attain the solution. Understanding the change impact, that's the first element to business analyst. Difficulty in assessing the impact of change. Now the main challenge for you here is to understand how much impact the change gonna happen, the change gonna make. Conduct through impact analysis. So make sure you do the impact analysis and find out the impact that's gonna happen. Perform impact analysis assessment and documents finding in order to measure the impact and understand whether this particular change will be done or not. Thorough video of change is available in Analysis Trends. You can go and watch and explore the channel chapters. This is overall understanding of the change management. Next is communication. Definitely poor communication about changes. Develop a clear and consistent communication plan because changes are something which happens in between. So you should be very clear about what's happening. Create and distribute change communication material. This is to be very separate from the actual requirement documentation because this is very different. Stakeholder engagement. Resistance from stakeholders. You should make sure that engage stakeholder early and often to gain buy-in. You need to make sure that whatever changes they are requesting, they should have a proper uh, developed and consistent communication plan, and they agree upon it, and then you can gain their buy-in. Hold regular meetings and feedback sessions with stakeholders to assess or perform these changes to be happening. Training and support. Lack of adequate training and support for changes. Once you make a change, you should be make sure that provide comprehensive training and support resources for the users who are using because there is a change happened. So you should educate or deliver training programs and supporting materials so that they are aware of this change happened. The changes can be something like, let's say, for example, you got one application has a button at the home page and now you have changed that to the landing page. So that change need to be updated to everyone, right? Because that's where everyone will be able to understand, okay, there was a change made and this was the latest version built on that. Maintain resistance. High resistance to change. Implement strategies to maintain and reduce resistance. You should be making sure you are doing it the right way and providing the right value to the stakeholders. Identify resistance points and address concerns directly to the stakeholders. Change planning. Inadequate planning for a change might be a challenge. Develop detailed change management plan. Definitely that will help you to create a flow and structured change management plan will lead to planning of a change. Monitor and evaluation. Inability to monitor and evaluate changes effectively. So once the change is done, then you need to maintain and monitor that particular change. Establish metrics and KPIs to track change process and progress. Set up a monitoring systems and conduct regular evaluation of changes, whether they are doing it right or whether the change is working or making an impact or not. Flexibility. Inability to adapt or unforeseen changes. So it should be flexible that build flexible into change plan. So it should be very flexible that whatever change you're gonna make is gonna work and be flexible to other changes as well. Allow for adjustment in the change management process. You should be very flexible about changes can also be changed in the future. Next is leadership support. Lack of support from the leadership, secure active support and sponsorship from leadership that will help you to engage leaders in change process and communicate benefits. Continuous improvements. Not incorporating feedback for improvements, create feedback loops to continue improve the change process. You need to make sure that you ask feedback from customers whether this change is working or not, whether whatever change we have implemented is good or not, right? Collect and act on the feedback from the stakeholders. So once it is okay, once it is agreed, then you are good that you have actually managed and did a change in a control process. So this is all about change management for a business analyst to incorporate any change in the existing system, and you will able to learn it more on this particular link. If you go to ba roadmap analysistrend.com, you have covered all the milestone. You can go and watch again. Thanks for watching this video. Stay connected. Have a good day. See you in the next video.